Usually in other states, there's not that much gravel all over the road. So if you just moved up here, watch out in all the intersections, the middle of the lanes, changing lanes, the shoulder, and basically everywhere on the road. There's going to be gravel for a couple days out here after the snow melts. So if you get your bike out, just take a look on the roads right now and kind of get an idea how much gravel there is out there, so you don't go flying around a corner, coming up to a stop sign or wherever you're at and scratch out in the gravel. Anyway, that's the tip. Hopefully you found it helpful. See you on the next video.